Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol KWBT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day on this one today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down there at the volume and a lot of well above average volume on this one today. So a lot of eyeballs on it going forward. So let's map out some levels of support and resistance. The first dynamic that really stands out to me from the resistance side of things is there's this overarching trend line right here that is currently in play. And that'll really be public enemy number one going forward. And I want to note that this is not some sort of great discovery on my part, or, am I trying to come across like I have some sort of special skill to have drawn this trend line? Quite the opposite, actually. I assure you, people that understand charts and use charts know how to draw that exact same trend line. And I bring all that up because when a lot of people are watching the same trend line, wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce some very dynamic price movements. And that's exactly what we have going on here. A lot of people are going to be watching that trend line and wondering, can the price, which to give credit where credit's due, nice bounce off these lows. So, a nice little move has already occurred. Now the next valid and logical question becomes, okay, nice bounce has occurred, great, but now can the price break above that trend line? So like I said, a lot of people are going to be watching that level going forward. So that'll without doubt be the initial and key level of resistance that'll need to be broken if there is going to be any sort of bigger movement back to the upside. Now, as far as levels of support are concerned, the main level to watch going forward, and there's nothing fancy or complicated behind this at all other than the fact of 0.027 is where the bleeding finally stopped today. So for that reason alone is why 0.027, very important level from the support side of things. But like I said, it's already made a nice little move off the bottom here. So there's a little miniature bounce that's playing out. Now it just plays into, is the price going to be able to break above that trend line? The week is young, still 4 days left. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.